We're going to demonstrate now the sledgehammer slams on the tyre, okay? And we're going to use the Specials Fitness Sledgehammers, okay? These are different than the Builder's Sledgehammers, okay? So as I can show you here, a Builder's Sledgehammer will be around about 5 or 6 kilos in weight, okay? It'll be more or less the same size as this one, okay? It'll also have a thin handle, it won't have too big of a bulky handle. As we go up to the 8, the 10 and the 12, as you can see, the head of the sledgehammer gets a little bit heavier, a bit bigger, but also the handles become a little bit longer as well, so it's harder to control. And also we're going to get a wider grip strength as well. So when you get that wider handle, it's going to be better for grip strength, but also you're going to build up them forearm strength as well, okay? So a lot more functional using the fitness sledgehammers. What we do is we start off, I'm going to alternate it now, okay? So I'm going to start with I've got the hammerhead, the left hand at the hammerhead, the right hand at the bottom, it comes over the left shoulder, okay? I'm going to come down, I'm going to bend the knees as I come down to save the back. I'm going to smash it into the tyre, and then swap over the right. Catch, smash, 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 catch, smash. Okay, so as demonstrated there, when that sledgehammer smashes into the tyre, it will rebound off and bounce and different, and you have to use your grip strength to try and catch it. Sometimes it'll go astray and it makes it a little bit harder, okay? You've just got to get it back to that start position. Don't get too greedy. As I say, we've got them going all the way down to a 4 kilo, so don't go too greedy. Start off on one you feel comfortable with and then go up through the weights, okay?